Hello everyone, this is Bhumika. Welcome back to yet another unboxing video from ZKTeco, India. Presenting the MB30 facial recognition biometric terminal. It is designed for both time maintenance and access control management, and you can see it is very elegant and lightweight, and it comes with a 2.8-inch color LCD display screen. Here you can see the camera for facial recognition, and here you can simply press your finger in this area to get verified. And on the back side you can see the Ethernet port, and this MB30 will comes with inbuilt battery. This device is also compatible with EasyTime Pro, BioTime Cloud 2.0 and EasyWDMS software. Now let's see what's inside the box. A quick start guide, device nicely packed, card, power adapter, screws for wall mount, and the plus communication cables for accessory needs. Overall, this MB30 is best in class and must have products for attendance and access control needs. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next video.